history of the world, we've been able to find somewhere between 4 and 8 children that have been able to be described as surviving with this condition.
Her legs were fused from her waist down. She had no rectum, no genitalia, no uterus, no bladder, only 6 inches of large colon and a quarter of a kidney.
Why is my daughter here? Why has she survived? Somebody forgot to tell her that she was supposed to die. She's up. Yeah.
Mom, what happened to me?
What's the next best step for her? Possibly just requiring an amputation and just taking it off altogether.
I'm scared. I'm scared of her.
I want somebody to tell me what to do. What's the right thing to do for her?
I'm a mermaid. Some people are the same, some people are different. Some people are short, some people are tall. Look, I'm not even quite the same than all the others, but some people just like the way I am.